So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Talks, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel for more updates. So moving forward in our DSA series, today we will discuss about how to reverse an array. So we will discuss two approach. First one is brute force approach, then we will try to optimize it. Okay, so let's discuss. So here we are given an array, we have to reverse it. So what will the first idea which comes in mind? To take an array of empty array of same size. Okay, this is of size 7, so we have to take it as 7 empty array of size 7, and we will traverse our original array from the end, and we will try to put the end element to the first of the array, first of the new array. So I will take 8 and put it here, again 7, put it here, 6, put it here, 9, put it here, 2, put it here, 1 and 4. Now we will observe our array is reversed. It was 4, 1, 2, 9, 6, 7, 8. Now 8, 7, 6, 8, 7, 6, 9, 2, 1, 4, 9, 2, 1, 4. So our array is reversed. So what will the time complexity in this? Since we are traversing the array once, so our time complexity will be O of n. And what will our space complexity? So since we are using one extra array of length n, so our space complexity will be n, O of n. Okay, before discussing the optimized solution, let's code it out. So here we are given an array, we have to take an n variable so that to maintain the, to get out the length of the array, here dot length, it will return the length of the array. Now I have to initialize an empty array of the same length is equal to new int n of n length. Okay, now for maintaining a pointer for first array, I have taken a I variable. Now iterating through the first array, original array, from the end I will take int j is equal to n minus 1, because array follows zero based indexing. J is greater than or is equal to 0, j minus minus. We will store in arr of I, sorry, yes, I is equal to arr, which is my original array, and I am traversing from the back, so it will be j. Okay, that's all. And we will give I plus plus, because I am storing at that index. I is 0, I will store at the 0th index and increase my I variable, so that I will store all the things, all the elements of the array. Okay, so this is done. Now let's print the array, whether my array is reversed or not. For int k is equal to 0, k is less than n, k plus plus, system dot out dot print ln print arr1, which is my duplicate or new array which I have taken, and I have stored the element in reverse fashion. So this one, let's run it. If any error, let's try to fix it. Yes, it's working fine. 876, yes, 876, 9214, 9214. So I have reversed the array. What will the time complexity? I have discussed. The time complexity will be, time complexity and space complexity is same in this case, O of n. So let's talk about the optimal solution. What could be the optimal solution? Let's talk about it. So let me erase it first. So what will the optimal solution for this? We will take two pointers. First start, another one is end. We will swap these value. So what will the value? I'm not taking extra array. It is just for the understanding purpose. So I will swap this. 8 will be here and 4 will be here. So what will our array look like? 8 will be here and 4 will be here. Now I will update it. End to here, end here, and start will be here, not here. Okay. Now I will swap 7 with 1. So what will be our array? 7 and 1 here. Now I will update it again. The end will be here and start will be here. So I will swap it. 2 with 7. Sorry, 2 with 6. 6 will be here and 2 will be here. Again I will swap it. Start with, so no element left, no two elements left, only single element left. So I will swap it with itself only. So 9 with 9. Now we will check whether our array is reversed or not. Yes, our array is reversed. 876, 876, 9214, 9214. So what will the time complexity? So time complexity will be, since we have traversed the half only, n by 2, so our time complexity will be O of n by 2. So in BIGO notation, what we do, we just ignore the constant part. So we can say that our time complexity is O of n. So what we have optimized? We have optimized the space complexity. What will the space complexity now? So space complexity will be constant because we haven't taken any extra array. We have done the swapping in the same array. So let's code it out. It's a very optimal solution for this. Code it out. It is also called two pointer approach because we have taken two pointer. Okay, so two pointer, we are taking two pointers, start and end, and we are swapping with each other. Okay, so let's code it out. So I'll remove this. One thing more I forgot to discuss is here. What is the stopping condition? Whenever my start and end is here on the single element, on the same element, then it's fine. But when it's crosses, start crosses end and end crosses start, means start value is greater than end and end value is less than start, then we will stop that. We have traversed the full array. Okay, so it will be our stopping condition. So I will take end first. First is equal to, or start ले लो, start, sorry, sometimes Hindi, sometimes English. So I will initialize the start variable with 0th index and end variable with arr of dot length. Okay, -1. Why minus in, you know, I have repeated multiple times. And I will take a while loop. Start is less than end. Then what we will do, I will swap. How we will swap in Java? There is no swap method, inbuilt method. So we will swap with, I will take a temp variable in which I will store arr of end. Okay. Then I have stored the end arr of end in temp. So I have to swap with start. Arr of start will be arr of arr of end will be, because I have stored the value in temp, so I can, the temp will be empty. So I will store start. Now I will swap this with arr of start with temp. Now my swapping part is done. Now I will increment start plus plus and end minus minus. sorry, minus minus. Now start and end will be updated. Here is the updated part. Now I'll check whether my array is sorted or not, reversed or not. So I'll print it for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus system dot out dot print arr of I, empty space for better understanding. Now run it. Whether it's error or working fine. Yes, it's working fine. It has reversed the array 8769214. Okay. So what is the time complexity is this? I have discussed it. Time complexity will be O of n and space complexity will be O of 1 because I haven't taken any extra space. That's why it's O of 1. So we have observed how we have solved this question. Firstly, we have applied the brute force. We have taken an array and I have copied it into some another array. Okay. And after that, we have optimized it using two-pointer approach. Two-pointer approach is very important. It's applied in many of the DSA questions. So it's very important to understand the two-pointer approach. So we have used this two-point approach to reverse the array. This is all about today. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, please comment below. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.